Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today we're doing another vlog and we're going to Kirby Hall, which is a country house in the countryside of England. So I'm going to be bringing you guys along for the ride and we're going to go explore it together. It's just a nice day out for me and my boyfriend. And I thought, why not bring you guys along with us? So let's get into it. Yeah, this is my outfit of the day, guys. Sorry about the background noise. Statement jewelry, green malachite, love this. Taking my Palm Springs backpack. I think this is the PM, like the mini. Yeah, so this is my outfit for the day. I'm gonna wear pink Converse, I think. Just something cute, just because I need to be able to walk and be comfortable. So yeah, let's go. There's a peacock here. Wow, look at it. I love peacocks. He wants to talk to me.
No.
So beautiful, isn't it? Peacock.
There's always the school in your name or something.
Yeah, people just wanted to leave a mark, right? It's a historical graffiti.
So it's Kirby in 1884.
I guess well, you know when you say like the 80s, you think it's ages ago, but it's not.
Yes.
1638. Is that how old the house is?
Probably, yeah.
It's quite old then.
This is front.
This is the north. Let's see the map.
We came in through here. So
Oh, it's
we're here.
big.
So we came in the forecourt.
Whereabouts are we now?
We're on the number 3. We're here.
We're in the middle. Oh, shh.
So we're in this.
I know. Hang on, okay. We are here then.
Yeah.
This is where we were before. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's still loads to see then. Through this window. Fireplace. Yeah, but no, look up.
Oh, what you mean the wooden?
What's that called? What's that called? Like floor support? Wow, look, if you look all the way up, you can sort of see the roof through it. Sorry, you probably can't see very well because you can't lean in there and have a look. Oh yeah, the peacocks might sleep in here because look at all the peacock feathers. With the original, do you call it a latch?
Or they're probably, I'm going to guess that it was glass behind it and this was just fun.
Like iron cast. Yeah. No. Ooh, another fireplace, a really big one. Do you see how big it is though?
I think
That window's open up there, look. Still can't get over the detail though. Think about how much detail is left now. Think about how much detail there would have been a long time ago. You know what we need to do? We need to figure out what the initials are because there's H up there as well. Look, on this side there's a H.
it's probably whoever owns the house.
And also, yeah, there's a llama as well, look. A llama. Come where I am. If you look right ahead above the door, look, there's a llama.
So what's that one there? A dog.
What is that? It looks like a crocodile to me. Could be a dog. Pardon? I know, look at this. Yeah, wake up every morning. Get up, bitch! Make my breakfast, honey. Would this have been a chapel? It looks a bit like a chapel. Oh.
Humphrey Stafford.
That's who it is. HS, Humphrey Stafford.
And FS, H is Francis.
Who do I think this is? I think this is Hermes or Hermes. Because if you look at his ears, they're wings, and his ankles have wings. I think this is Hermes, the Greek god. I think he's a god. I don't know who this is. He's holding, it looks like he's holding a lion on his shoulder. What's he holding in his hand? Club. I don't know who that is. Babe, who do you think this is? So apparently we think this is Heracles because he killed a lion with his bare hands. Apparently. This one, I can see a snake at the bottom. And sorry, the lighting isn't very good there. All I can see is a snake. What's he got around his body? Babe, who's this? Who's got a snake? Garden's nice. Original fireplaces. Babe, is there a flume? Oh my gosh. And then this would be connected to the one above it, right?
Yeah.
Sorry. And then that's the chimney all the way at the top.